Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be making an eggless almond chocolate cake. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And most importantly, do not forget to drop a review after trial. You can leave your review as comment. And that will be all for today. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.